Today I am going to explain the lesson mechanics. So mechanics is a subject where we will study about the motion of the objects, like walking, a person is walking, or an object is rolling, or the sun seems to be moving from east to west, or moon is moving in different directions in different days of a month. So such type of motion is shown by the different types of objects in our world, physical world. So the study of this motion is called mechanics. So we are discussing about mechanics. So it is the branch of physics where we will study the motion of different objects. So this mechanics is divided into three types, and first one is statics, second one is kinematics, and the third one is dynamics. So it is divided into three types. One is statics, and another one is kinematics, and another one is dynamics. So first of all, what is statics? So we'll observe different types of motions even the object is in stationary position. For example, the moving of water, a whirling of water in a glass which is kept in a table, or moving of a pendulum. So such type of motion will be observed even though the object is at stationary position, even though object is not changing its position. So next one is kinematics. Kinematics is a branch of physics where we will study the motion of the object, but we don't study the cause of the object. So without considering the cause of the object, we will study the motion of the object. For example, if I hit a ball, it will go. So we will study the motion of the ball from hitting positions to the reaching position, but not about the hitting type, or whether I am hitting by hand, or whether I am hitting by a stick, whether I am hitting by a bat or something like that, and how much force I have applied. So this won't be considered under this study. So on a whole, kinematics can be called as a branch of physics which deals with the motion of the object without considering the cause of the motion. And the next one is dynamics, where we will study the cause of the motion also. For example, if I hit a balloon or hit a bob or hit a pendulum if I hit a pendulum, then we need to consider the force that I have used to hit that ball, how much force I have applied to hit the ball. So what are the parameters that are influencing the motion of the object? So such type of studying of motion of the object is called dynamics. So on a whole, we will call it as study of motion of objects where we will consider the cause of the motion. So that's all for this classification. So we will study about kinematics now. So kinematics, as I said, it is a branch of physics which deals with the motion of the object without considering the cause of the motion. So from the beginning, I'm stating about motion. So what is this? What is the definition of the motion? So a person is walking from one place to other place, or a ball is moving from one place to other place. So it is changing its position when compared to its surroundings. So earlier it is at here, and after that it is moving to here. So it is changing its position with respect to its surroundings. So then we can say that object is in motion. So as a definition, so on the screen you have the definition. So what is the motion? It is the change of the position of an object when compared to its surroundings. Right. Now if I am moving with my bicycle, so I am on my bicycle, I am moving away from my friend, so my friend feels that I am moving. Why? Because when compared to the distance between him and me, it is changing continuously, so he will notice that I am moving. So that means the considering position, the considering person is my friend and the object is me. So I am changing my position with respect to my friend. So my friend is feeling that I am moving. So from my motion, my friend can assess how much distance I can move, how much time it has been taken to move to move that distance. So every parameter can be read out by my friend. So now I will consider another case where me and my friend are sitting in a bus and the bus is moving. So the person in the bus stop can feel that we are moving. We means the bus and me and my friend. So the distance between that person and the bus is changing continuously, so that the person in the bus stand can feel that we are under motion and how much distance we can travel and how much time it can take to move. So every parameter he can read based on our motion. So can my friend assess at that moment? Because we two are sitting in a chair and we both are moving according to the person who is outside. But my friend cannot detect me as I am in motion because I am staying with him. The distance between him and me is 0 or less, and which is not changing continuously.